I discuss about court terms. ADP means Assistant Director of Prosecution. APP means Assistant Public Prosecutor. CC number means Calendar Case Number. CJM means Chief Judicial Magistrate. DDP means Deputy Director of Prosecution. DJ means District Judge. DW means Defense Witness. FTC means Fast Track Court. JM means Judicial Magistrate. MC means Magisterial Clerk. NBW means Non-Bailable Warrant. PP means Public Prosecutor. PRC number means Preliminary Registration Case Number. PT means Pending Trial. PT warrant means Prisoner Transfer Warrant. PW means Prosecution Witness. SC number means Sessions Case Number. STC number means Summary Trial Case Number. Pending Trial Case PT cases. Stage of case taken on file. Second, appearance of accused. Third, for copies. 4, for charge frame. 5, for trial examination of PW to IO. 6, 313 CRPC questioning. 7, arguments on both sides. 8, judgment. Taken on file. CC means calendar case. STC means summary trial case. PRC means preliminary register case. SC means sessions case. JC means journal case. Acquittal case in section 255 CRPC in STC case. 248 CRPC in CC case. 235 CRPC in SC case. Important CRPC sections in trial court. 317 CRPC petition filed for absence of accused. 207 CRPC for copies. 311 CRPC to recall witness at any stage after trial. 91 CRPC to produce documents. 205 CRPC appearance dispense of accused. 239 CRPC discharge of accused. 257 CRPC withdrawal of complaint. 301 CRPC to assisting the prosecution. 302 CRPC private prosecution. 105 class 3 CRPC direction to register a case. 173 class 5 class 8 CRPC additional documents to be filled after filling a charge sheet. 167 class 2 CRPC bail in mandatory provision in sessions case 90 days. Below 3 years punishment cases 60 days. 437 CRPC lower court bail. 438 CRPC sessions bail, anticipatory bail. 439 CRPC high court bail terms used in investigation and police records. AR copy, accident register copy, CD case diary, crime number, CR number, crime number, FIR first information report, FP fingerprint, FR final report, IO investigation officer, IP inpatient, LCD last case diary, MO modus offender, MO medical officer, PM post mortem, PMC post mortem certificate. PNR, prisoner nominal roll, prisoner record. RCS, referred charge sheet. RW, read with section. SOC, scene of crime. UI, under investigation. US, under section. WC, warrant certificate. AD, action dropped. UN, undetected. MF, mistake of fact. ML, mistake of law. CSR, community service register. GCR, grave crime report or general conviction register. GD, general diary. LLI, loose leaf index. OP, outpatient. PSR, prisoners search register. SHO, station house officer. SHR, station house report. BC, bad character. DC, doer criminal. HO, habitual offender. HS, history sheet. KD, noun depredator. LFO, local first offender. LKD, local noun depredator. NLFO, non-local first offender. NLKD, non-local noun depredator. LO, law and order. OD, other duty. PSO, police standing order. Personal security officer. ID, illicit distillation. IMFL, Indian made foreign liquor. IMFS, Indian made foreign spirit. GSC, good service entry. MSC, meritorious service entry.